Welcome, today I am with AirPods free and I'll show you how you can check serial number of this device. We got 3 different methods. The first one, you just grab your box and you have to take a look right here. And here you will find the serial number. The another option, we have to go for the settings, find the Bluetooth, find our AirPods, click on the information icon, and then scroll down and the serial number will appear also right here. And the last option, we have to open case of our AirPods free. And right now let me just zoom in to show you how it looks, because we have to take a look right here inside our box. I hope that you can see it right now. I'm going to remove this right earphone. There is the serial number, the same that appears right here in the settings. Take a look. This one. And take a look on this one. So yeah, that's how we can find and check the serial number on your AirPods free in the 3 different ways. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.